Let's go. Pass to Isto. Check that down to Mikey. Isto. Going for small money. Isto drive. Pass to Moreto. Check back down to Moreto. Not good. They won't play. Here's number 26. Pass to Zolieta. Zolieta. Pass to Moreto. Because of the Moreto play. Okay. Name of my school. Pass verse number 22. Stood right. Dinayo, don't move my ball. It goes over to 2 points. From high. Pass to Zolieta. Who's up? In and out. First 3. Zolieta. Pass to Zolieta. Pass to 2 points. Zolieta. Isto, working the ball, check down to 15. Isto drive. Pass to Dinayo. Pass to Moreto. To Isto, check down to 6. To Gatlau. Pass to Moreto. Moreto push up. Ayano. Pass to Moreto. So that down to 10. Patoa. Hello, play. Thank you. Lima by on 5. Tokorito, Isto. Perfect. Pass to Moreto. Shut that down to 15. Moreto. 2 minutes, 2 points. Patoa. 26. Zolieta to Salihura. Isto, you can shut that down to 20. Isto drive. That's the entire reflected. 6 point Moreto. Reflected. Steal by Salihura. 2 points. Check that down to 17. Isto bringing the ball. Pass to Moreto to Dinayo. Tomo na Israel. Again. 47 seconds score. Are looking for the first quarter. Check that down to 15. Isto. Right. Pass to Moreto. Check that down to 10. Dinayo. Pass to Moreto. To Isto. Check that down to 5. Gatlau. Side out there. Pass to Isto. Check that down to 20. Moreto. Pass to Gatlau. Forward pass. Side out there. 2 points. Verse number 13, Patoa. Pass to verse number 11. Seconds remaining. Take it. Reflected. Pass to Gatlau. To Dinayo. Pass to Isto. Check that down to 19. Dinayo. Selale. Pass to Moreto. Push that. Take it. Break up by one high from back. Zolieta, the motion that happened at me. Zolieta, put it out quick, ball. Stay with the number 26. The ball, check that down to 15. Moreto. Dinayo, first way. Take it. Rebound by Patoa. Patoa nagmamadali. Rebound by Patoa. Long pass to pass to Hawk. Reflected up there is the result. 6 against 8. Isto dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining. Reflected, see by Isto. Check back down to 12. Moreto, third way. Take it. Rebound by Sally Bulan. Reflected. Save by number 9. Sally Bulan. Reflected. Save by Hamla. Zoya. Good play. Down 49 seconds. To Sally Bulan speed. To Giro. 2 points. Giro. One for one. Look at the ball pass to Hamla. Pass back to Hamla. For the double play. 3 points. Isto. With the ball. Now 20 seconds. 15 seconds to play. Shot that down to 10. Reflected. Pass to Hamla. 6 seconds remaining. Down to 5. 2. Again, pass to Hamla. Hamla, first play. In and out. Reflected. Save by Sally Bulan. Shot that down to 20. You know, with the ball pass. Morento. Reflected. Jalak sa ilalim. Pass to Morento. Morento. Cruiser. So, yung nakabak na legs up. Nice block by Sally Bulan. No pass to Giro. Giro legs up for ACT. 2 points. Bando. Chulay out. Bless. In and out. Reflected. Pass to Morento. To Giro. Shut that down to 20. Giro. Reveal the ball. Giro goes up for 2. Take it. Rocky first number. Jalo. Reveal the ball. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Shut that down to 20. Jalo Roy. Pass to Plaza. Plaza for 3. Take it. Rebound by Sally Bulan. Pass to Plaza. Plaza drives down bola. It's a big up first, so he said. Hadoha, breaking the ball. Hero, legs up, 2 points. Hero. Hamla, pass to Pato. Shut that down to 20. Pato, pass to Hamla. Well. Pass to Pato. Together press. Rebound by Jalo. To Sally Bulan, to Plaza. Plaza drive. Side step. Pass to Sally Bulan, deflected. Save by Hamla. To Pato, legs up. 2 points. Down. Jalo, breaking the ball. Step that down to 15. Ganda, to Plaza, to Sally Bulan. To Ganda, legs up, Rebound by just number 12. Pass to Hamla, Patoha. Patoha drive. Patoha Giles. Patoha, going for some Mario Giles.